Looking for an inviting holiday update to your home without fake falling leaves? Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph with Berkshire Hathaway, Fox & Roach. And no offense to the silk flowers lovers out there, I have some myself, but the luxury home sellers, we can do better. And here are some really stunning ways to showcase the fall while leaving the foliage for the outdoors. In my many years of expertise, I do not usually recommend big holiday displays because they go against the minimalist seller's etiquette, but there are ways that sellers can make their home feel cozy. And here are 10 super subtle tips for fall decor that you can implement even when your home is on the market. Number one is add more rugs. Rugs warm spaces indoor and out, and they add color and warmth and texture, and they're a great investment. Number two, layer the browns. Brown is a real unsung hero of the neutrals. Try textures and complementary colors such as terracotta, stone, and camel. Number three, dress your table for fall. If you're going to go to gourds and pine cones, make sure you stick to a tabletop or an entryway. Number four, ready the fire pit. Many of us on the main line are fire pit people. Set the scene by the fire pit with rugs, cozy throws, and ready stoneware like hot cocoa mugs. Number five is to introduce a sepia tint wall. If you have favorite photos or antique maps, this is a great accent wall and looks stunning in an office. The last tip is to warm up cool spaces with muted shades of red or deeper greens and khakis. I hope you find some of these tips useful. If you want more tips and trends for the mainline sellers, please follow my YouTube channel or hit subscribe. Thinking about selling on the mainline and want a complimentary home analysis? We can do that too. Contact me today, and remember, Kimmy Rolph sells the mainline and local areas.